Molly, tell me what's going to happen when you flip up the balloon and the baking soda goes in the bottom.
It's gonna explode and the bubbles are gonna come into the balloon.
And so what's the balloon going to do?
It's gonna go bigger and bigger until it can't go anymore.
Okay, are you ready? Get set. Go. Shake it up. You got to shake this stuff out. Is it shaking in? Whoa, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go of the balloon.
Whoa, it's going! It's going! Wow, it's just one big balloon.
Is it still blowing? Look, it's still bubbling. It's still bubbling. It's still bubbling. How big is it going to get?
I don't know.
I think it's all done. I think that's all the bigger it's going to get. That's pretty big, huh? What do you think, Tuck?
I can even fly!
Tucker, what do you think?
Dang!
Is it great? Is it groovy?
Our experiment worked!
Our experiment worked. Very good. All right, so what was in the bottle, Tucker? What'd you put in the bottle? What's this stuff?
Okay, you want to use
Vinegar. And Molly, what did you put in the balloon?
baking powder.
Baking soda. And what do you think is in the balloon? Now.
Vinegar.
How about
and baking
gas?
gas.
Gas. All right?
What?
Is that awesome or what?
Yeah. Mom,
Can we do it again? Okay, we'll do it again.
yeah, Mama, this time, can I put in the vinegar?
Yes, we'll take turns.
And Mom, can I put in Dad's stuff?
Yes.
Mm,
Okay.